Super easy strawberry dessert to make. And prepared in minutes. I'm sure you'll love it. For this recipe, we are going to add 200 grams of sour cream to the blender. Add 200 ml of well-chilled whipped cream. Put 395 grams of condensed milk. And we're going to hit it really well. And people are already commenting to me from which city you are watching us. I'm going to send a super special hug to each one of you who is commenting. I will now add here little by little, 25 grams of powdered juice, strawberry flavor, but you can use any flavor, right? And I will be mixing very well. And today, I'm going to send you a super special hug. For Olivia from New York. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. Now I'm going to add another container here. Add a cup of granulated chocolate and mix very well. And folks, this recipe here is delicious. And you can see that it is super easy to prepare, very easy. Now I'm going to be using a container here, right? A 200 ml glass, but you can use any container you like. I'll add until it looks like this. I will repeat the same process with the other containers. And now I'm going to put it in the fridge for 2 hours, which is supposed to be much creamier. And our strawberry dessert was ready, and it was super delicious. Besides being very pretty. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.